What's up, guys? It's Mr. Fit to Flourish, and today I wanted to talk about how do you apply manifestation techniques to become the best trader that you can be. So, number one, you have to act like the person that you want to be. So, what would you act like if you already had your goal? So, if you already hit 100 million or 10 million, 1 million, 100,000, whatever that goal is for you, how would you act? You need to act like that now. I'm pretty sure that if you got to that level that you wanted to be at, so say you're currently at a $500 account, you can't afford a bag of Cheetos or Frosted Flakes, and you want to get to 10 million, okay? Let's say you have that 10 million now. How would you manage your account? Well, you would probably not be YOLOing everything into a one trade all the time. So 10 million into one trade would sound ridiculous, right? You'd probably just be like, okay, well, I'm happy with where I'm at currently, and I'm going to look at the charts, and I'm going to be taking smart plays. I'm going to be looking at the charts and looking for good setups. That's all I'm looking for, just good setups to continue to build my wealth. Well, you need to act like that now. You need to be looking at the charts, looking for good setups, and looking for that to develop, and do that now. Okay, create the habits of the person who you aim to become, but you need to start now, or else it'll always be this thing of, oh, in my mind, like, oh, when I get there, and you're always going to be pushing it away as long as long as you say, oh, when I get there, then that's how you keep manifestations, or that's how you keep your goals away from you, by never bringing it into the now, because the only moment that exists is now. So that's one manifestation concept that you need to bring forth into your trading. Okay, the number two technique for manifestation is something that Neville Goddard and Florence Scovel talk about a lot. You need to understand that nothing has power over you. This is talked about in the Kybalion as well, which is a book I highly recommend, but more esoteric type stuff. But anyways, you need to be, in order to get what you want, in order to get to your desired reality, you can't give things outside of you power over yourself. All the power that you need is in yourself. So to get to where you want to go, to do what you want to do, to get food, to put the roof over your head, it all depends on you. You are the machine that the universe is operating through. Okay, kind of deep stuff. Anyways, so don't give power to stuff outside of you. So don't give power to the markets or the money. Like, oh man, I just need the money. I need the money. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Okay, when you do that, you are acting in the state of lack. You're also telling the universe that without that thing, you're gonna die. You're giving power to something outside of yourself. So the way that you start winning is when you are okay having that thing. Like if you had $1 bajillion, you'd be like, oh, okay, I'm good. But then you're also good not having the thing. So without $1 bajillion, you're still good. Because what the universe does is it says, okay, well, this dude is happy. He's happy with it. He's happy without it. And let's give it to him, because it doesn't matter, right? It doesn't matter. He's not giving power to it. So as long as you're happy with it or you're happy without it, you're going to be doing well. Okay? You can't give power to outside things. So if you lose a trade, if you win a trade, you're the same. You're unemotional to it. Okay? Because emotion is energy in motion. As long as you show that you're mad, you're going to continue to attract things that cause you to be mad. If you're happy, you'll get some things that are happy. But if you just stay unaffected by things, then things will automatically just gravitate towards you, because you'll be in the state of being. So like, for instance, let me make this make sense a little bit. Let's say you always wanted 100 pairs of shoes. Okay, these Jordans, you wanted every pair of Jordans. You always wanted it. What happens when you actually get them? They're just in your closet. You forget about them, right? You just have them. It's like, oh, okay, yeah, I have them. And someone comes to your room and they're like, yo, you have every pair of Jordans. And you're like, oh, yeah, I got them a long time ago. And they're like, this dude literally doesn't care. Well, that's what you need to act like right now. Think about it. Like, you know that friend that has like that cool car, that Porsche, that BMW that you always wanted. And they're just like, yeah, I have it. And because they have it, they're just unaffected, right? Because if you have the thing, it's like, okay, right? But if you're in that state of, oh, I need that, it's telling the universe like, oh, I don't have it, I don't deserve it. But if you're just in the state of, yeah, I'm good with it, I'm good without it, that's how it's going to be when it comes anyways. You're going to be like that when you get the thing anyways. So start acting like that now. Okay, start acting like that now. And then last but not least, again, always show gratitude. So whenever you show gratitude, it's showing that you are thankful for the things that you are receiving, and you will continue to receive because you'll be in a high energy state. You'll always be happy, and the money will just keep coming. That's how the markets work. The money goes to those who have money. Okay, even if you have $500, you're happy with the 500. Well, you're gonna get more. Okay, you're gonna get 1,000. Then you're happy with the 1,000. You're gonna get more. If you're always like, oh man, I need more. Let me YOLO. Well, market's gonna say, oh, this person is desperate. This person desperate. Let's knock them off. Okay, that's just how it works. And I'm pretty sure you're resonating with a lot of this. You're like, oh dang, this is true. But it's literally, and a lot of people will tell you, money is just energy. It's energy in motion, emotion, energy in motion. Money is just energy. And those who are abundant and feel gratitude for it and just unaffected by it are not slaves to it. That's who it gravitates to. Those who are slaves to it will always be chasing it. Okay? If you're chasing something, I say this all the time, if you're chasing something, you're running after it, that thing has to run. It has to run in order for you to be running after it. There has to be something running from you. But if you're staying and you're attracting something, then you are being in that state of vibrational frequency, that magnet that's going to attract that thing. Okay? So keep these concepts in mind when you're trading, and hopefully they do something to affect your mental to kind of help you better trading. Okay, it's not all about the trading psychology this, trading psychology that. It's just laws of the universe. It's just how things work, and you need to understand that in order to do well and prosper when it comes to trading. So hopefully this helps someone out there. If it doesn't, unclick, get off, whatever. But if this helped you, like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in the next video. Good morning, welcome to the Fit to Flourish podcast. Let's talk wellness, finance, and growth.